Hi there, fellow travel enthusiasts. If you're eager to plan an amazing holiday trip for yourself in 2023, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of planning a memorable vacation. Get ready to discover tips, tricks, and even some handy apps and websites to make your planning experience a breeze. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive into the world of holiday trip planning. Segment 1. Choosing your dream destination. The first step in planning your holiday trip is selecting your dream destination. Think about the type of experience you're craving, whether it's a tropical beach getaway, an adventurous city exploration, or a tranquil countryside retreat. Websites like TripAdvisor, Expedia, and Lonely Planet can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your destination choices. Segment 2. Setting a realistic budget. Now let's talk about budgeting. It's essential to set a realistic budget for your trip. Consider your overall financial situation and determine how much you can comfortably spend on transportation, accommodations, activities, and meals. Apps like Mint and Trail Wallet can help you track your expenses and stay within your budget throughout the planning process. Segment 3. Booking flights and accommodations. Once you've chosen your destination and set your budget, it's time to book your flights and accommodations. Websites such as Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights can help you find the best deals on flights, while platforms like Airbnb.com and Hotels.com offer a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. Segment 4. Crafting your itinerary. An itinerary can make your trip more organized and enjoyable. Research the top attractions and activities at your destination and create a rough plan for each day. Apps like TripIt and Sigic Travel can help you organize your itinerary, keep track of reservations, and even suggest additional points of interest. Segment 5. Exploring local experiences and cuisine. To make your holiday trip truly unforgettable, immerse yourself in the local experiences and cuisine. Use apps like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Food Spotting to discover popular restaurants, local delicacies, and hidden gems recommended by fellow travelers. Don't be afraid to try new dishes and engage with locals to learn more about their culture. Segment 6. Packing essentials and tips. Packing efficiently is crucial to ensure a stress-free trip. Create a checklist based on the weather, activities planned, and the duration of your trip. Apps like PackPoint can help you generate a personalized packing list based on your destination, travel dates, and planned activities. Remember to pack essentials like travel adapters, comfortable shoes, and a travel-sized first aid kit. Segment 7. Stay connected and informed. During your trip, staying connected and informed is essential. Download apps like Google Maps, Citymapper, or Maps.me to navigate your destination easily. Stay informed about local transportation options, weather updates, and any cultural customs or etiquette using apps like Culture Trip and Tripolingo. Segment 8. Enjoy your adventure. As you embark on your holiday trip, remember to embrace the adventure and enjoy every moment. Be open to unexpected experiences, connect with fellow travelers, and create lasting memories. Keep a travel journal or use apps like Day One to document your journey and capture those special moments. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and resources to easily plan your dream holiday trip in 2023. By choosing the perfect destination, setting a realistic budget, utilizing helpful apps and websites, crafting an itinerary, exploring local experiences, and staying connected, you're on your way to an incredible adventure. So start planning, pack your bags, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring!